Playing Repo with friends is really easy to do, and the first thing we're going to want to do is we simply want to go on to our local internet browser and just type in Repo Discord server like so. Once you've actually joined the Discord server and verified yourself, you'll be brought to this page like so. From here, you simply want to go down to the option called Repo Find Group. Now you can simply join a game by copying any of these codes that people are sending into your web browser, which it'll open in Steam and allow you to join their Repo party, or you can actually create a party yourself. And how you do this is you go to host game when you're actually on the Repo page, click on yes to host a game, and then you will actually be brought to the lobby like so, where from here you want to click on your friends tab in the bottom middle of the screen if this pop-up panel is already not on your screen, and then click on your profile icon on your pop-up tab. And once it brings you to this page right here, you simply want to right click on this join game option and copy the link address, where from here you can simply send it to anyone in this Discord server or to any friends you currently have. And that's all you need to do to play Repo with a bunch of random players.